So why work with a private lender? And do you think you're begging when you're working with a private lender, asking for money?
It allows you to do more.
It allows you to do more. Absolutely. That's good. But are you begging, Crystal? Can you give me spot me $5?
Definitely not begging because you're making them money because you're going to be paying them interest. So you can give them a great return on their money.
Right. Does anyone? So I had a big old hang up, big old ego hang up about working with private money. So I didn't even bother to do it. I'm trying to reach out to anyone who might have that. Anyone who have an issue with that, chime in right now. Just tell me how you're feeling about working with
Yeah,
a private lender.
yeah, I'm not great with it.
Yeah,
Mm,
you
no,
rather work by yourself?
I actually not. I just, I've just not, I found it to be awkward.
Okay. Yeah, I know exactly what you're saying. Well, I want to give you some additional information that you can kind of compute with. Um, so I came up with this after spending all the time with Walter Wolford and Quincy and looking at retirement, self-directed retirement accounts. I came up with these three phases. I think it's in the resource section of our course about this video, but it comes into three phases. And the first phase of that process is to, as you're making money, create a reserve account. The first thing you do,
Yeah.
okay? The next thing you do is you give your lender their money back. That's what your focus is. You can maybe give them 80% of the profits until their principal is all paid back, and you enjoy 20%. And then after the principal is paid off, then you start paying them the reward for loaning you the money, and that could be so that this payoff of the reward that could last 2-3 years. But the key part is they have all their principal back, nice and safe. You guys follow what I'm saying? They have all
Hmm.
their principal back in their pocket, and they can loan it to you again. So that's why this puts you into a spot where you don't run out of money. Okay. So here it is. The person had problems with it. Uh, Here's the question.